Hello, my name's Harry Burroughes. I'm head of Factor 2050 at the AMRC, University of Sheffield. Cybersecurity threats are one of the greatest dangers facing businesses today. Cyber attacks were nearly fatal for 87% of organisations who experienced one last year, and at the same time the number of cybercrime incidents has increased by 50%. For manufacturers of all shapes and sizes, getting digital defence in place is essential. But with so much complicated information about cybersecurity, it's no wonder businesses simply don't know where to begin. What type of attacks should we expect? Where should we be looking for common weaknesses in our digital infrastructure, and what tools and training do our team need? Our cybersecurity handbook is here to help, breaking down the process into 5 simple steps, which are understanding the system, threat identification, vulnerability identification, risk qualification, threat remediation and risk management. So therefore I encourage you to take a look and get started on your cybersecurity journey today.